Hi YouTube, welcome to Wez Picks. Today we've got my, it's two securit 6 levers. It's just going through testing at the moment, but I've turned it into a 12 lever. I've had to modify the insides quite dramatically. Oh, it's locked already. Show you inside. Just a few bits and pieces, get it a bit smoother. And obviously add the latch on it. The key needs good cleaning up as well, but it's just to see if I can actually get it to work, which it appears to. So what I'll do next time is I'll take a video of it all in pieces, and then I'll put it all together again when it's all finished and cleaned up, and show you it then. Quite pleased with that. It's not bad for 12 levers. Anyway, thank you very much.